This right here is motherfucking fire. It's a glorious, beautiful burger. To make this burger, you're gonna need some hash brown, some burger meat, some bacon, some jalapeno. Don't forget about the onion. Wow, look at that. Don't forget to flip them shits over. Add some American cheese, baby. Make some scrambled eggs with a bit of milk and cayenne pepper and salt. Mix them eggs, boy. Cook them till they're a bit brown. Cook some chicken patties and don't forget to add some manchego cheese. Put some mayo on them buns, boy. Last but not least, assemble the burger. Don't forget about the ketchup. Bada bing boom bah. Look at that beauty. Bon appetit.